This is how to make an origami bird. So I want to start with a square piece of paper. So I start with my paper and fold it diagonally. So we know this is square, so I just need to trim off this part. And I just crease it again so it's easy to tear. Next you have to do all your pre-folds. So we have one diagonal fold, and we fold the other way diagonally. Now we need to do a fold perpendicular. So we fold this way, and then reopen and fold the other way. Now we need to make the folds on the diagonal like a kite. So this side goes to the center and crease, and the other side goes to the center to meet it. You want to make sure you have a nice point up there and crease. You do this on every corner. So next corner, to the center, and fold the other side in. Get our point nice and tight and crease. Here's our next point. First crease and fold into the center. And our last corner right here. Fold to the center, bring that one to meet it. Okay, we've done all of our pre-folding. Now you want to fold it diagonally, so you end up with this triangle. Now we fold it in on that fold, like that. And same thing on the other side. Fold it in on this fold. Now you have a square with these two sides. So we fold in on this diagonal. Same thing on every corner. Fold in on the diagonal, fold in right there, fold in on that diagonal. Now you have something that looks like a kite. This side folds up flat and turn it around, and this side folds up flat. Now you have the solid sides up here, and then you have this side that's split here. So turn it up with your split side and hold it at this joint. And you open it and pull this down so that it's right at the joint, and just crease it where you want it. And the same thing on this side. Fold it down, and you want it about the same angle, so you can move it up and down until you get the same angle and crease it. Now turn it up. We need to make the head right here, so we just open it, fold it down, and crease, and there's his head. Now you just fold his wings down right on that fold, and fold this wing down, and he's ready. 2 fingers pinch here, these 2 fingers gently pull the tail.